You can go on American Muscle, bro. AmericanMuscle.com and look up Ecoboost. And
he's on my head already.
Slap that shit on there. Air intake. I ain't doing nothing special.
Hold on, I gotta keep you intro. What's up, Big Bang Gang? We out here in Greensboro, North Carolina. My man Elijah with the V6 is going crazy. What we got here, bro? Tell them again. What we got?
Man, we got the Kodak Roush Kodak intake for V6. You know, it's just a daily V6. That's why it's dirty.
Yes, sir.
Throttle body spacer, just something just to, you know, look red. That's all I was doing. You know what I'm saying? Then the Mitsubishi oil catch can. Nothing them fancy. I ain't got no plastic. I got the tubes. You know what I'm saying? Oh, don't forget.
Purple demons on.
Demon on.
We see you. We see
whatever you want.
Oh.
Put in the comments. I'll put it on right now.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Then I got the exhaust. You know what I'm saying? Mid pipe is X pipe, and then Flowmaster axle back. You want to hear it? You said?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hear it. Oh man. Yo. That joint is loud.
Get it from the engine.
That joint is loud. What's making that noise in here? What's making that noise in here?
Yeah, the throttle body spacer.
For real? That joint sound like a little turbo.
Yeah. That's why I got it. Come on, man. We not done. We not done. We gotta come on.
Oh yeah. Whole family here.
Oh, whoa.
Whole family here.
My girl, R6 Camaro. I mean RS Camaro. Ain't that right, babe? Where you got the? Come on, put that up. Presentable. Come on.
What we got, man? Give us a walk around with it.
Hey, come on, you want to talk about your car? I got it. It's a RS Camaro, 2019, you know what I'm saying? Nothing light.
Yeah.
60, you know, RS, you know what I'm saying?
The tan guts.
Peanut butter seats came perfect time. You know what I'm saying? That's in there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Everything else in there, you know what I'm saying? It's just stock. Everything's stock. You want to hear this?
Oh, yeah. Let's get a little something on it. Still sound good.
Put it in sport. Oh, okay.
They sound different in sport? Yeah, y'all be moving. I seen y'all cutting up the streets right there and trying to act out.
You know, something like
that's crazy. I like the wheels on this thing.
Yeah, this thing bad.
What's the plans? What y'all doing in both of these cars?
We're gonna keep that a secret, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Actually, I can tell this one, you know what I'm saying? Not much to do for a V6. I'm gonna do something crazy to that one. This is just gonna probably be pro charge, you know what I'm saying? Okay.
So how you know how much you dynoed it yet?
No,
you know any horsepower to the wheel?
I'm probably these are stock at like two something.
I feel you.
Two something. I'm probably making 3 something with the modifications I got.
Still ain't messing with that Ecoboost over there, bro.
No, but yeah, look, you need to tell me about this. I think the channel already.
The channel already know, but we're gonna let Elijah know. This is his first time seeing it. All stock, man. Everything's stock. Only thing changes in the engine is this blow off valve right here. Little red blow off valve in there. Boomer Racing. Only the best.
Where's your turbo?
Only the best. Turbo,
let me see your turbo.
Dang, where is that joint?
I should know the turbo.
It's small. It's like,
I know it's a small little turbo.
I think it's like back here.
I really don't get the name. I think this is it right here somewhere. It's where the blow off valve.
Yeah, I think it's that good.
That's freaking. I don't really care about Ecoboost.
Go ahead, hit that joint. You can hit it. Hit that joint. I'll hit it. I'm gonna let you hit it. You heard it from the inside. 5%. Yeah.
Ooh, you got the leather. It's on?
Yeah, just hit it. Appreciate it, man. That's totally different. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit that joint. We got like Volvo. Hold on, I'm gonna hit it for you. Go in the engine bay with it.
Let me see. That shit sounds. Why your shit go over? How many RPMs you just went right there?
Like 7.
7?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. You got this tube? You got this?
Nothing. All stock, man. Only thing I did was tint and the blow off valve. That's it. Well, hopefully we can get some rims down here. I'm gonna probably go 22s.
22s, so you need to get these off. Look at these. I can get these easy cop.
I'll sell them to you.
For how much though?
I'm gonna have to crunch some numbers.
Crunch some numbers.
Yeah. But we definitely gotta get up, man, and cut these streets up.
No, you playing, man. You could have got some rims in right there. You playing.
Nah, I can't.
Disrespect you.
Nah. Yeah, I was scared. I was scared. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, man. I'm already a target, man. They see the Kansas tag, like, who is this guy? Yeah. And then they go see the tent. You know, North Carolina go crazy over tent.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't trying to get them no reason.
You're narrow and slow, so I need you to run this one. You need to come to a drag strip, man.
I'll get you, bro. I'll tell you. I'm about to put this hood down, get this thumbnail right quick. Yeah, man, nothing done, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Your joint sound. I didn't think it sounded like that in person.
Sure, that's
that joint's crazy.
The camera don't do no justice. I'll be recording. I'll be hearing different, and y'all be hearing different. Y'all probably like, why this nigga piped up for?
Yeah, that joint crazy. You done smoked the tires?
Oh, yeah, I smoked. Yeah, these are racing tires, so they barely smoke, but I can smoke them. You want me to smoke them?
Nah, that's not right here. It's block too hot. Look at that.
I smoked them. You smoked your tires yet?
I did. I swung it one time.
You swung it?
Yeah.
Woo, you swung it. You did a lot of things. Ain't that right, man?
That's crazy. Y'all cutting up the streets back to back like that. Y'all
got the Mickey D's. We should have Travis Scott right there.
Yeah, for real though.
Travis Scott. Yo, that fuck. So your windshield not tinted?
Nah, I think I'm gonna do it.
But did you even notice my shit cracked?
Nah, I did not. I'm so focused on the engine. It's got so many miles on the engine.
That shit right there. You see that fucking crack?
Oh yeah. Damn. Can't really tell it though. Like.
See the crowd control?
Yeah.
You gotta get something like that.
Dude, if you don't make my decals while I'm home, I'm going to like.
Okay, how long are you here for?
I'm here to 2021.
You know, okay, bet. You know, I moved to Kernersville.
So back there.
Yeah. All the way over
Alright,
there.
that's cool.
I come over here. I work over here. I work on A&T construction site.
Bet.
Yeah. So I got you.
Yeah, man. I need something just like that. But
what you want? What you want? This? Like, yeah. Come on. Tell
this
me.
logo.
Playing.
This logo, YouTube, and then my Instagram name. Same thing.
Okay, the same size and everything?
Yeah, I just need mine white.
Okay. You want white? Alright.
Yeah.
I got you.
I'm trying to hold off because I want to get wheels before I do that shit.
Yeah. Hold off and see what wheels you get. You get wheels today? I mean, this week somewhere?
I might go there and look. I don't know.
Right there on that shop?
Yeah, across from like Hooters.
Oh, yeah. See, there's the shop I'm talking about right now.
Okay, cool. This is crazy though. I'm glad we got to link up, man. I thought you was gonna dodge me, trying to run from that boost. Trying to run from the Ecoboost.
We had to make a U-turn. You said block 43. I was calling you. I want to race.
Yeah, he's calling me out, bro.
I want to race.
That's crazy. I gotta get to this 8-minute mark so I can get some. Hey, you gotta get these 8 minutes.
Yeah, I gotta get these 8 minutes.
What y'all about to do for the rest of the day?
Probably we gotta finish unpacking. We literally moved yesterday.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Congrats, dog. Congrats.
My birthday tomorrow.
What you doing for that?
Fucking nothing.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Y'all about to say, you know, you think y'all not doing it. She got it all planned out.
Nah, we chilling, man.
That's crazy, y'all back to back in these things, just cutting up the streets.
You like this one?
Dang.
You burn out or something, you need 8 minutes.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm at 8 now.
You want me to try to get a good 8?
Y'all wilding out.
We can leave.
Yeah, hell no, y'all wilding out. I'm not gonna condone this. I'm not condoning this. Y'all do it. I'm about to dip out anyway. Yeah, we definitely gonna link up. I'm gonna be back and forth, so.
Thanks, man.
Okay, man. Good seeing you, bro. Nice car. Both of y'all got some nice cars. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Yeah, see y'all. Nice to meet you, Jamil. Y'all be safe. Don't be speeding. Don't be speeding. Y'all hear me? I'm trying to promote good stuff. Don't be speeding, guys.
I'm not speeding.
All right. See y'all. All right, Elijah.